64. So I needed five more to get from 69, but it's not as good. So the future is quite interesting in my opinion because we can do many things. Not only that, there are some new technologies or combinations or expansions, and one of them I have it with me, the butterfly move. It's quite interesting. Curve ties, I cannot bring it with me because it broke when I was in Nuremberg. Unfortunately, it was mishandled. And some tips. So always get a good video or a good guide. There's some very nice guys in the Twisty Puzzle forum, some excellent guys actually. Always make sure that there's no rough edge because you can cut the strings. You don't want this to happen, so you can sand it. You want the inserts, the paper inserts inside, have to be accurate. If they're a bit extending, they can, let's say, affect the movement of the puzzle, and it's not very smooth. I have a 2-inch punch, which does a brilliant job. So I suggest you can find it on eBay actually, this one. So, and then everything has to be aligned properly. And the connectors, of course, because those strings are connected around, and there's a capillary thing connecting them, small capillary thing. Make sure it's not in the corners, because if it's in the corners, it's not. Make sure it's in the middle. When I make my own puzzles, I make them as close to the middle as possible, because it's. And of course, after you move it, those things move a bit as well. I mean, the puzzle is a bit of live thing, but if you put it in the middle, chances are it will stay in the middle. So make sure it is in the middle. And after you use it, after each single use, just stretch a bit, like simple moves, to balance again the strings. Because